Hi guys, let's welcome spring and make this bee and honeycomb craft. If at the end of this video you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. The supplies you need are yellow and black paper, a paper towel roll, I also added a toilet paper roll at the end, scissors, a white pencil, a regular pencil, a quarter, a penny, a hole puncher, and also a glue gun. Let's start off by making a bee. Use your quarter to draw 2 circles, 2 yellow and 2 black. Then on the black paper, draw a smaller circle with a penny. Draw a thin line for the antenna. And use your hole puncher to punch out 2 small circles. Cut out all the circles. Before we assemble the bee, fold 2 of the yellow circles and 1 black circle in half. Now glue the head to the body. Fold a little strip of paper in a V shape and glue the little circles on the ends. Now glue the antenna to the head. Next, glue the black piece to the center of the body. Then glue the yellow pieces beside it. And this is what your bee should look like. Continue this step for as many bees as you'd like. To make the honeycomb, fold the paper roll and cut thin strips. Then glue them all together. The last steps start to glue your bees to the honeycomb, then glue your honeycomb to the yellow sheet. You can trace around the honeycomb and cut it out. This is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.